Let's make this fun and super easy 3D cartoon muffin using PowerPoint. This PowerPoint art tutorial is brought to you by the Visual Makery. We help businesses and professionals share their ideas with engaging visuals. Subscribe to the channel to get more of our unique and original PowerPoint illustration and animation tips and tricks. Let's go. Draw a circle. Now draw a star with 32 points. Make some adjustments as shown. Select both the circle and the star. Group them together. You can also type Ctrl+G to do this. With the group selected, click Shape Outline. Choose No Outline. Outlines look awful when you turn things into 3D in PowerPoint. We recommend setting meaningful names for the shapes. Choose one of the perspective presets. This enables the perspective angle setting. It's more flexible to pose the model with this turned on. Rotate the muffin group. Select the cup shape. Choose the angle bevel type for its bottom bevel. Give it 90 points of bevel height. The default bevel width is 6 points. We'll use this default value. Now select the muffin shape. Add a little round bottom bevel as shown. Add a round top bevel. Dimensions shown are approximate. You can experiment with different settings, especially if you're using different 2D circle and star sizes. Raise the muffin shape by changing its distance from ground setting. If you want, you can check the result by making it partially transparent. If you like, you can also adjust your design. Set the color for the muffin. Next, set the material and lighting presets for your model. Good job! Your basic 3D muffin design is done. Many of our viewers and students find it easier and faster to learn using reference 3D models. Get our free PowerPoint Simple Muffin 3D model from the link in the description section of this video. Now we'll add fun character faces to the design. Ungroup the Basic Muffin group. Duplicate the muffin shape. We'll call this new shape Muffin Texture. Duplicate the cup. It's for the cup's texture. Select all the shapes and regroup them. Select the muffin shape. Copy and paste it. We'll use this as the bounding frame for our character's face. Clear its 3D formatting. Draw 2 circles for the character's eyes. Use a bigger circle for its mouth. Turn it into a smiling mouth using the Subtract Shapes tool. You might want to draw a different face. You'll probably do a lot better than our example. Set the frame to be fully transparent. Copy the face design including the transparent frame. Select the muffin texture shape. Select Picture or Texture Fill. Click Clipboard. Congratulations! You now know how to add fun-looking cartoon faces to your PowerPoint 3D creations. If the design is not completely visible, add 1 point to its distance from ground position. You can easily change the design by editing it, copying it, selecting the muffin texture shape, and clicking the clipboard button again. Here, we're resizing the cartoon face and moving it closer to the edge of the muffin. Have fun and make a few muffins with different colors and different cartoon faces. In fact, you can easily create other cartoon characters using these techniques. Here are some examples of 3D animated food illustrations and cartoons that you can make using PowerPoint. Until next time, happy creating!